Hello guys, how are you? Today I am going to talk about some best way to make your old photo restoration. In this way, you can make your old blurry photo as a new clear and colorized photo. You don't need to pay any money to any website or don't need to buy any subscription. So just chill and enjoy the video. Let's get start the video. So I am going to fix this picture. So let's start. Open your browser and search here photo booth. Now upload your old photo here. I am going to upload this picture, so upload it here. Wait few seconds. Look, now you can download your picture. Click here to download. I am going to open this picture. Look, you can also colorize this picture in another website. I am going to talk about the colorize of this picture in next video. So this is the way you can make your old photo as look like a new photo. Now I am going to talk about the another way to make your picture restoration. Now search here Linang data photo restoration. Wait few seconds. Now upload your old picture. I am going to upload mine. Desktop, preview, open, upload complete. This is the old picture I upload. Now click here restore photo. Wait few seconds. Look, it's very easy, just one click to make your old photo to make it the new photo. Now click here to download restored photo. Okay, now I am going to talk about how you can colorize this image. Okay, search here imagecolorizer.com. Now upload your photo for colorize image for free. I'm going to upload. Okay, download, then select it and open it and click here to start. Now click here to download. Look, now I'm going to download this image. Save it here. Let's open the preview. This is the previous one and this is the after colorize. So now I am going to talk about the last way to make your photo restoration. This is the very easy and the best way. This is the last and the best way to photo restoration. You need to download Photoshop and install it. I am already download and install it. So now let's open our Photoshop. For photo restoration, just open your photo. I am going to open this photo. Now you need to click here filter. Now neuro filters. Wait few seconds. Now click here photo restoration. I'm going to on this. Click here photo restoration. Wait few seconds, it processing on my device. Just wait. You can also colorize it in here. Wait few seconds. Now it's complete. Now you can choose some photo enhancement. If you want to increase it, you can. If you want to decrease it, you can. Enhance face, you can also use it for make it more perfect. Scratch reduction, if in your picture more scratch, then you can reduce it. So I am not going to reduce it. Now I am going to colorize this picture. Click here to colorize. Look, it's colorize my picture. In this way you guys can make your old blurry picture to make it a new and clear colorized picture. So in this way you guys, you can make your photo restoration. So thanks for watching. This way are absolutely free, so just go and to make your old photo look like a new photo. Thanks for watching guys.